Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio on investing.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in investing.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official investing.com website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed with logging in using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage, from which if you wish to create your portfolio, hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on My Watch List. You will now be taken into your portfolio menu. In order to create a new portfolio, just click on the plus icon alongside the watch list that you already have. You will now be asked to choose your watch list or portfolio type. After choosing the type, enter the name that you wish to give for this portfolio and click on the Create button. And now your portfolio has been created. You can choose the currency by clicking on the drop-down menu at the right side. And now you can also add your desired position in order to create your alerts. After entering your desired currencies and choosing the condition, click on the Add Position button. And now this will set up your desired metric and the currency within your portfolio watch list. And there you have it. That is how you can create your very own portfolio on investing.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.